So today I'm going to be showing you how to take the 16 personalities test. This test was created by Isabel Myers and Catherine Briggs, the developers of the MBTI assessment. Myers and Briggs created their personality typology to help people discover their own strategies and gain a better understanding on how people are different. This test is super easy. It takes less than 12 minutes. Just be sure to be honest as possible with all of your answers so that they can pair the best personality type with you, and try to complete all of the questions without using any neutral answers because it almost cancels out the question. So try and lean towards agree or disagree as best as you can. So if you scroll down here, you will see your questions on each page. Then after you finish the page, you'll click next to the next one. So on this page, I'll go through them with you. You enjoy vibrant social events with lots of people. Not strongly agree, but agree. You often spend time exploring unrealistic yet intriguing ideas. Also agree. Your travel plans are more likely to look like a rough list of ideas rather than a detailed itinerary. Strongly disagree. I plan those down to the minute. You often think about what you should have said in a conversation long after it has taken place. Strongly agree with that. If your friend is sad about something, your first instinct is to support them emotionally, not try to solve their problems. Strongly agree. I try and figure out what's wrong before I jump in and try and fix anything. And people can rarely upset you. Slightly disagree because usually I am a calm, cool, and collective person, but there are times that my mood can be changed very quickly. So now that I'm done with this page, I will go to the next one. And as you can see, there's another set of questions that we would answer. So I'm going to finish this test and we're going to come back and find the results. So these are my results. My personality type is a console. And then over here, you can see it kind of breaks it down. I'm kind of split between an extrovert and an introvert, more observant than intuitive, use my feelings more than thinking, judging more than prospecting, and more turbulent than assertive. And if you wanted to go deeper into each of these, you can continue to scroll down and start reading. You will have an option to send this to your email or no thanks and just continue reading. And then you could just go through and read. You get your strengths and weaknesses, romantic relationships. And it's just something that's really interesting to read about and see if it truly matches up with your personality or not. And I think something in the classroom that would be super cool would be to have my students take this test and then write a reflection paper on whether or not they feel that this test was accurate, what they liked and didn't like about it, and just some of their other thoughts on what they thought about it.